Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming permissions and capture sources so Windows can actually record. Open Settings, enable Xbox Game Bar, then grant microphone and background app access. This lets audio and overlays be captured. Once done, check your default recording drive and free space. Low space or a read-only folder will cause silent failures. Also make sure you're launching the game or app in windowed or full screen mode, supported by Game Bar, so the capture pipeline initializes correctly. Now you handle drivers and in-app conflicts that commonly break captures. Update your GPU and audio drivers so encoder and audio devices are compatible. Outdated drivers often stop recordings. Then open Game Bar settings and set proper frame rate and resolution. Match your game to avoid scaling mismatches. At the same time, disable other overlays such as Discord or NVIDIA Shadow Play because they can hook the same capture API and cause dropped or blank video. After changing, reboot to ensure new drivers and settings load. Finish by resetting and verifying the capture end-to-end. If problems persist, use Settings apps to repair, then reset Xbox Game Bar to clear corrupted state. This often fixes missing components. Next, run a brief 10 to 20-second test recording and inspect the file for both video and audio to confirm success. If you still see failures, create a new Windows user or reinstall the app and collect diagnostic logs. One key troubleshooting tip: try recording with another capture tool to determine whether the problem is Game Bar specific.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.